Alright, this is the final chapter. Specialty tools, of course, you got generator and compressor, but that's not even the shop stuff. That's just the mobile stuff, so you can't consider that. But we're going to look in here, see what we got now. So we're doing brakes. There's a brake press there. What is this here? Got a air hammer. That's for I got a set for doing flywheels and fans. This here is a slide hammer kit. Yeah, I use that for pulling hubs off of a car for my friend. Here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Spring compressor. Everybody got a spring compressor. Let's see what we got. Looks like, well, it's been a Firestone compression tester. Yeah, everybody got a compression tester. What's this here? That's a fuel pressure test kit. I guess that's for testing fuel pressure. Let's see. That's the socket kit. I don't know. Alright, well, that was a specialty tool. I need to take that out of here. It's supposed to be specialty tools only in here, but we're going to check back with this. Stick all this stuff down here. And we're going to see what's in here. There's just axle sockets. Alright, I don't really see what's in here. Right here. Yeah, that's a torque multiplier. Torque multiplier definitely in handy sometimes. What's that? What is this? There's so much stuff down here that's dusty. And that's a press. Oh, that's for pressing little stuff, little ball joints and stuff. That's what that's for. Alright, let's get all this stuff back in here. Look there. Now what's in here? Gotta see what's in here. This thing kind of hefty. Oh, press stuff for going with the press over there. For that thing. You gotta use it with that a lot. Press stuff in. Need different size press fittings. Nice little kit. Wheel bearing remover. Of course, you gotta have that pulley puller. I've got another one of them. Got two of them. Don't need that. Everybody knows what that looks like. Don't need that. What's this here? Let's see what this is. What is this? Oh, riv nut and stuff. Love that thing. That thing there. You want to put a screw hole somewhere. Have it be strong. Another fuel pressure test kit. Let's see. Keep a bunch of them. Yeah. There we go. What's this here? Oh, sweet. Alright, looks like that's about it. Oh, that's. You know what's in here? Another, that one there. Yep. What's here? For pulling seals again. Got in there. It's like a torque, another torque wrench. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's removing the fans. Yep. Rest of them are on the truck. We'll do a tour of the truck one day.